Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about one of the most common questions. What foods are good for weight loss? If you're looking to lose a few pounds and eat healthier, then this video is for you. First, we have eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and can help keep you full longer. Starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast like eggs can help reduce your overall calorie intake. Also, they are also extremely versatile. You can boil them, stir-fry them, or make a delicious omelet. Next on our list is lean meat. Chicken and turkey are great choices because they are low in calories but high in protein. Including lean meat in your diet can help build muscle and keep your metabolism active, which is essential for weight loss. For all the vegetarians out there, don't worry, we've got you covered. Lentils, chickpeas, and tofu are great plant-based protein options. Not only are they high in protein, but they're also very versatile, suitable for a variety of recipes, from salads to stir-fries. Let's talk about high-fiber foods. Whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice are high in fiber. They help you feel full and satisfied, which helps prevent overeating. Plus, it also contains many essential nutrients that are good for your overall health. Of course, we cannot forget about fruits and vegetables. They are low in calories but contain many essential vitamins and minerals. Green leafy vegetables, berries, and apples are especially beneficial for weight loss. Try the results. Incorporate a variety of colors into your meals. Meals to get more nutrients. Seeds like almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are great for snacking on. They're packed with fiber and healthy fats, which can help you feel full and satisfied between meals. Just remember to eat them in moderation, as they can be high in calories. Speaking of healthy fats, avocados are a great addition to your diet. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help create a feeling of fullness. You can add them to salads, cakes, and desserts, sandwiches, or even smoothies for a creamy texture. Olive oil is another great source of healthy fats. Use it in cooking or as a salad dressing. Not only does it help with weight loss, but it also improves heart health. Just remember to use it. Insofar, Greek yogurt is a high-protein, low-calorie food that's perfect for breakfast or a snack. Combine it with some berries and a sprinkle of nuts for a delicious and nutritious treat. Hydration is key when losing weight. Drinking plenty of water can help curb hunger and keep your metabolism optimal. Green tea is also great for boosting metabolism and supporting helps burn fat. Make it part of your daily routine. Finally, vegetable soups are a great choice for a filling, low-calorie meal. They are easy to make and can be combined with a variety of vegetables to add nutrients. Perfect for lunch or dinner. So there you have it. Here are some of the best foods for weight loss. Remember, it's important to focus on foods that are high in protein, high in fiber, and healthy fats while stay hydrated. Incorporate these foods into your diet and you'll gradually reach your weight loss goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, leave it in the comments below. See you next time.